Hey guys, it's Pat just back with another video, and today we have the J-Hope Marathon. Disclaimer. I know of I've seen J-Hope. I haven't heard any full songs. Like this first one we're checking out, Chicken Noodle Soup. I've heard probably a small snippet of this song before. I think like years ago, a couple years ago. Because I was curious, but I never heard the full song or watched the video. And of course I know the original song Chicken Noodle Soup that happened years ago when I was a kid. But yeah, I'm excited for this one. I don't know much of him at all, but I know about him. Yeah, like with RM, I didn't know much of him. With V, I knew nothing of him. Now he is really up there for me. But with J-Hope, I know a little bit of, but not a lot. I've seen some clips. Yeah, but we're here for his music today. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, the first one we got is Chicken Noodle Soup. I was going to save this for last because I feel like I'm going to love this the most. Because I've heard like a 10-second snippet of this years ago. And like I said, I already know Chicken Noodle Soup. I already know the original song. I don't know his, but I know the original song. So I'm very excited for this one. So we're just going to get this one out the way. And also I see some black people right here. So this makes me even more happy. Okay. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. They are already okay. All right.
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out.
Ooh.
I let it rain.
Wait, hold up. Come on. Hey. Hey. Put his salt on the side. Hey. Oh, he doing the chicken. What?
From Gwangju 한 것이 기획돼. 금납충자 스트릿 거기 내 할렘. Neuron down bounce in my team. 춤을 빡까 workaholic man.
Hold up. Nah. Nah, see. Okay, I'm already hyped. I'm already hyped. Do you see the amount of swag he got? Do you see the amount of swag and free spirit, freedom he got?
From Gwangju 한 것이 기획돼. 금납충자 스트릿 거기 내 할렘.
Hey.
Neuron down bounce in my team.
What my take?
춤을 빡까
Hey.
workaholic man. 내게 밤샘에 성장한 케이스. 내 키는 충무로 make I'm okay. 큰 비전 그려가는 편. 꿈을 그려가는 내 위층들의 번호 스텝.
Ooh.
Popping, rocking, hopping, touching, ducking, flashing, swagging, whoa. 하지만 일같이 한시 바삐 하지 난 위헌일 whoa. 나를 채찍에 담그는 트로피에 인생의 배팅에.
First of all, this flow. I seen Dougie, I seen Flexin', I seen Swaggin'. Oh, he's talking about all of the dances back in the day. Okay. This is very nostalgic. Mess it up, J-Hope.
Popping, rocking, hopping, touching, ducking, flashing, swagging, whoa. 하지만 일같이 한시 바삐 하지 난 위헌일 whoa. 나를 채찍에 담그는 트로피에 인생의 배팅에 추운 나의 curse. Oh, on the street 이제 나만의 길 with Becky G on the side.
See her stank face? Girl, you just ain't about to come out the car like that. Okay, she need to calm it down. Who is she? Oh, Becky G? Ooh! Oh, god damn that car. Jesus, that ain't even a monster truck. What's bigger than a monster? What's bigger than a monster? I don't even know. Okay. They was hitting that chicken head. Hey, hey. Ooh.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with salt on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with salt on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle
ti. Ninguna de estas mujeres tiene flow que tiene.
Oh, girl. Oh, she hit that chicken head crazy. She hit that chicken head crazy. Okay, okay.
On the side.
Hold up now.
Chicken noodle soup with soda on the side.
Chicken noodle o pollo con espagueti. Ninguna de estas mujeres tiene flow que tiene Becky. Latinoamericana soy de aquí. Carita de santa pero friki. ¿Quién me va a decir? Sí, ya todo lo vi. Donde yo nací, no pensaban que una mujer iba a sobresalir.
Hey, she lit. I'm hot.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey, hold up. Look back at it. Hold up. Give me a second to do. Hold on. You know what's going on here. This is the first song. Okay. All right. Okay. Whew. They doing that old song Chicken Noodle Soup justice. I probably like this one better. Okay. I'm just saying. But she just got a natural swag about her. Come on, Becky G. This part right here.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey.
What you gonna do?
Look at that wall.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Look back at it, lights, camera, action. Definitivamente la mejor de la escena. What on the street we got the people reacting. La gente que critica simplemente me da pena.
Pena.
We always got love for where we come from. So let
This is a feature right here. Okay. What we got? What we got going on? What's up, brother? Oh. Okay. Pat, you on camera, okay? Yo, I be forgetting y'all here. I ain't gonna lie to you. I be forgetting y'all here. Whew. Give me a second. Boy, he was hitting that. He was hitting that. Oh, okay. All right, y'all, give me a second. Okay. He had me a little too turned. Now. Boy, J-Hope got swag. Let's go. Hey. What's going on? Hey. Oh, Becky look good. Jesus. Okay.
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup with soda on the side.
Y'all gonna get me up. You gonna get me up.
Chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup with soda on the side.
And bring it out. Yo. Just bring it out.
Oh, come on, girl. Hey.
And bring it out.
You know, these kids are doing more than what I did when I was at that age. Well, I was on the video game. That's why I'm built like this right now. Built like a barrel. Okay.
Yo. Just bring it out.
I clear it out.
Hold up, give me that one more time. Okay. If y'all don't want to hear this again, go just skip to the next song. Skip to the next song. I just want to get this part again. Okay. Okay. Let's go. This is my workout for today. And I'm done.
I let it rain, I clear it out. 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 Let's get it, let's get it, let's get
get it, let's 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 get it. I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup.
Well, Hope, J Hope,
With a soda on the side.
Jerome Hope,
And bring it out.
Jamal Hope. Okay.
Just bring it out. And bring it
Ooh,
out.
he hit the Harlem Shake.
Yo.
Let's go.
Just bring it out.
Hey. Well, I'm tired just looking at him. Come on. Mess it up. 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 Okay. Oh, that looked like fun. Okay. Okay, hold up. Hold on, airplane. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. Boy, that was lit. That 10 minutes went into that one. Okay. Let's get to the next one. Okay. All right, how y'all doing? Okay, now we got airplane. I'm going to be a little more calm on this one because I should have really saved that for last. Chicken noodle soup. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This look cool already.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶어서 그 에어플레인
Oh man.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘
What the? Why am I still surprised, huh? Why am I still shocked? Why am I still shocked? Why am I still shocked? Look, I know that K-pop is just a culture. Look, I know it's not a genre. I know it is just a culture. But, bro, I'm just still shocked. You know, I just still be shocked when I hear sounds like this. I'm a decade into the K-pop world. But I'm still shocked when I hear these type of sounds in these songs, you know? I can't be the only one. I cannot be the only one. Let's go. Okay, Jay. Hit him ad-libs. Ooh, that bass about to come back in.
아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 이루게 지금을 만들게 everywhere 이제 네 슈에 플래시 터질 때 안전한 도착의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 이제 원 없이 날아 에어플레인
Forget them. Facts. Ooh. Hold up, man. Hold up. Where J Hope from? Huh? Where he from? Talking like this, bro. I like this, bro. Man, look, the rappers in BTS. First class, yes sir.
구름 위를 매일 구름 위를 매일 구름 위에 내필 구름 위에 check it 구름과의 케미 구름과 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 컷을 말리지만 몇십만들 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게
He said, "For you people that can't even fly, boy, I give you a little mama, I give you some of my miles just to be present, just to let you know what I do on the daily that you could never do, not never. I mean, if you put your mind to it, okay."
보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 컷을 말리지만 몇십만들 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경은 다 off 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그저 계속 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에 맞춰 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나 불태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네
Look at that visual. Not the dog tags. Hey man. Come on, Hope. Well, you can only walk like that if you got 6 figures. Okay. Hold on, Arson. Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. That was good. But that was good. That was relaxing. Well, next time I make some cereal, I'm playing that. I don't know, something about doing chores, listening to that song. It gets you ready for the day. Yeah, that's the morning routine song right there. Get you ready for success. Okay. Bro, I'm liking Hope a lot. I'm liking him a lot. All right, let's get into the next one, guys. All right, now we have Arson. I think it's called something else, but, you know, I'm assuming it means arson in English. Arson is like fire type stuff, right? Yeah, like arsonist. Okay. This was like more in his recent field. Okay. All right, 3, 2. I'm still tired from chicken noodle soup, by the way. 3, 2, 1. I just randomly picked these, but I want to go in his recent ones for the last one.
Let's burn, 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 burn. It's done, 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 done.
What am I in for, huh? What am I in for? The street sign says done. Okay. Now on the 405 drive. Okay, let me. Let's go then.
Let's burn, 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 burn.
Well, this is a real old school beat. Is he okay?
Burn, burn. It's done, 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 done.
Well, he is acting.
Done, done, done. Let's burn. 내 열정에 burn. 내 영혼에 burn. 내 삶 속을 burn. Every day I run. 멈출 수 없던 그때 그 시절. I burn it all and I want it all. 명예는 first. Of course. 인기까지도 내 스스로가 과열이 될 수밖에 없던 뭣도 모를 무식한 내 야망의 원동력. When I sweat. 이런 show. Hey, what a different sweet. Get on my feet, on my legs. I'm looking from my way.
You know, I need to go back to the vocalist. I need to go. It was my fault, man. I need to go back to the vocalist. We do. Jin is coming very soon. That's the last member I got to do of BTS before I get into their stuff. Jin is coming very soon. I need some vocalists. The rappers are getting me riled up. They're getting me riled up. Okay. But he really talking.
스스로가 과열이 될 수밖에 없던 뭣도
Burn hotter. Oh, he went into the fire. Oh, he is the fire. Man, they got real rappers on BTS, man. Real rappers. Look at him. Look at him, bro. Yeah. Ooh, your heart. I mean, it's still beating. What the hell? Ooh, this beat. Yeah. 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 That looks so cool, dude. That looks so cool. That look hot. Duh, Pat. Was that it? Yo, okay. All right, Hope. All right, first of all, let me say this. I'm very tired now, okay? I started off with being eager to react to a lot of things today. I should have never put chicken noodle soup on this. I feel like I just acted such a fool with chicken noodle soup. Okay. All right. Of course, more marathons of him will be coming. I just need to make sure I'm highly caffeinated or had a good rest or a good meal and some hydration because I was not prepared for, oh boy, Hope, J-Hope, okay, okay, all right, whew. Okay, all right, well, that was it for this, that was it for this video, guys. You know what's crazy? He was acting like this, right? He was acting like this all, you know, tough. But on Run BTS, look, I'm about 5 episodes in. On Run BTS, he was scared to get on the Six Flags ride. You know, all this toughness with the fire and the airplanes, you know, and not being scared of the monster truck behind you. But you can't even ride a ride on Six Flags. You can't even ride a ride at Six Flags. He did it though. Good job. But you should have seen him. He was just like me on that ride. Oh boy, I relate to him so much with that. Either way, that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for vibing with me. Let me know down in the comments what you thought about it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to love yourself, okay? All right. Peace.